Faced with ridiculous delays getting my boat out of the water, we're starting a whole new project. This is the Spira design 14-foot Ensenada Panga. Should be fantastic. We're going to build it from scratch. This design is optimized for a 15 horsepower outboard, and my buddy Mark just donated one. But we've got to get it running first, and to do that, we got to build a dolly to put the outboard motor on. Now, does alcoholic beverages and power tools mix? No! Oh, that's not good. That's not the kind of eyeball you want to see in your dog. Good. Hold this up in the air like this. Don't move. All right, right at your ear.
That's a beautiful ear, isn't it?
Ear height.
I'm in the backyard.
Most of my good carpentry tools are on the boat. Old tree trimming saw, silky saw. Good, good, good. That's what I'm talking about. Play around with angles. The angle of the dangle is inverse to the... What? Look at all those jalapenos, man. I know. That is awesome, you guys. We're gonna have the best hot sauce.
We're so awesome.
I know you are. What do you got there? Oh man, it's fried green tomatoes for dinner tonight.
Herbs.
Yeah, that's good. May need to I'd say that sucker's on there. I mean, the Fatmobile.
Anything else back there?
No. Knock that lid off of there. All right, tighten them clamps down. I think we might have something here. Mud dauber. I mean, it looks good, man. Nice and simple to work on. actually had to take the fuel line off to get it connected. The actual male receiver there that's on the engine itself, I had to pull it off, and then I had to file down the inside of this a little bit because the male end that's on the motor, the grommet on it was a little bit too big. But I think we got a working fuel line now. Here's the other problem. It's an old Yamaha gas tank, and that's the wrong end. I don't know what the hell's going on here. I don't understand. Why is everything so hard? I just got to pick up a new fitting for the tank. No big deal. We'll have the motor running in short order. Thanks for watching.